Let's see this question asked in the CBSE examination year 2011. It says, solve y dx plus x minus y cube dy is equal to 0. As you can see, dx is associated with y, dy is associated with x minus y cube. And it is definitely a linear differential equation. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that we convert this given question into any of the two forms of linear differential equation. Either dy by dx plus py is equal to q or dx by dy plus rx is equal to s. Let's see which form is possible to be converted, and let's probably start with the solution accordingly. So I write solution, and I know that certain things have been very much clear and have been given to me. So it is dx, here it is regarding dy. Let's open up the brackets, or we can also follow the simple procedure like y dx like this, and dy to the other side, change in the sign y cube minus x, because minus will be multiplied to the other side. Now dx upon dy, if I want to find out, is it possible? Dx upon dy is equal to y cube minus x upon y. Yes, this is working out. So I write dx upon dy is equal to minus x upon y plus y square. Now if I know the general form dx upon dy plus rx is equal to s, I am very sure most of you will say r is equal to what? R is equal to minus 1 upon y, and your s is equal to y square. But that is incorrect. Why is it incorrect? Because dx upon dy plus rx should be there, but here it is equal to. So this is not the further solution step. The further solution step would be, first of all, you manipulate this. And now you can say that, okay, r is what? The coefficient of x. So your r is equal to 1 upon y, your s is equal to y square. Now what should be done? Integrating factor should be if is equal to e raised to the power integration r dy, which is equal to e raised to the power 1 by y dy in integration, or directly log y will give me y, because e raised to the power log y will come, e and log will nullify each other. So y is the integrating factor. Now what is the further part? The further part is simply you have to find out the rest of the solution, which is x into integrating factor is equal to s into integrating factor, integration would be there, and plus c. Now what should be here, dx or dy? First of all, see what is s as y square, so it should be dy. Now x into integrating factor, so it is x multiplied by integrating factor, which is y, is equal to s into integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? Y, integration dy plus c. Let's see again, we were very sure what was s and everything. Now xy is equal to y cube integration is y raised to the power 4 upon 4 plus c, and that should be the answer to this question. So how do we do it? We simply saw that this question should be converted into a possible form, and then we can only move further with the solution by finding the integrating factor and by putting the integrating factor in this equation, and that is the answer to this question.